In today's video, let's learn how to take an image from your computer and turn it into a figurine model using Nano Banana. In case you haven't used Nano Banana, it's Google's latest AI image generator, best known for its ability to follow instructions and create consistent images, of which you'll see demonstrated in real time for our case study. To get started, head over to Google Gemini on your computer or open the Gemini app on your phone. There's a link in the description, and you'll need to sign in with your Google account. After you sign in, you'll be brought to the screen and you can see some ready-made prompts available up here, one of which ironically is a figurine prompt that you can use later. But for our example, let's put Nano Banana to the test and create our own prompt. To begin, let's click on the Tools icon and then choose the Image Generating option with the banana. Next, we can upload the image we want to use. To demo this, I'm going to use the avatar image I often use in other videos from this channel, and once that's complete, we can go down here and type in this prompt. Turn this image into a full-bodied, vintage collectible figurine with toy packaging sitting behind a desk. Go ahead and click Generate. And wow, check that out. Not too bad. Pretty cool. Pardon the pun. Fresh out of the proverbial box, this looks really good. At first glance, the image looks awesome, very accurate and realistic. I noticed Nano Banana took elements from the original image along with the background and incorporated them into the generated image. So that's a really cool touch as well. But I noticed a few things that need to be fixed. For example, where the box is labeled The Analyst, I'd like to change that, which is one of the best things you can do with Nano Banana, and that's making direct edits to your image. To see this in action, how about we go with a prompt like, change the analyst to the prof. Click Generate, and there we go. Okay, not bad. After reviewing this, let's say we want to change the position of his arms and include a laptop as an accessory piece. Let's click down here in the prompt box, type in something like place his arms at his side and include a laptop as an accessory. Let's go ahead and generate it and see what we get. All right, that's a little interesting because it looks like his arms are not proportioned correctly, and honestly, I'm not digging the vibe of the laptop. So let's type a prompt into Nano Banana asking it to make some changes. Let's go with shorten his arms so they're proportional to his size and remove the stickers from the laptop. Go ahead and generate it, and let's see what we get. And okay, well, not too great. It looks like Nano Banana removed his arms altogether along with the laptop, and that wasn't very polite. So how about we try again, and let's go with this prompt. Place his arms at his side and add a laptop as an accessory. Add his logo as a sticker to the laptop. Let's go ahead and generate that. All right, Nano Banana added his arms back in, which is good. They still look a little gangly, but the laptop was added back in and the logo was placed as a sticker, so it looks like we're back on track. Now, let's ask Nano Banana to turn the box to a front-facing position by typing in this prompt. Turn the box so it's front-facing. Go ahead and generate it. All right, that works, but I'm still not liking the way his arms appear. How about we try to change that by typing in this prompt. Remove the laptop on the desk and fold his arms in front of him. All right, don't ask me why I asked for the laptop to be removed as well. Clearly my brain checked out on that one. So let's ask Nano Banana to add it back in. Let's type in the prompt, add the laptop accessory in again with the logo on front. Okay, that's interesting. The laptop was added back in, but now it looks like the figure has 3 arms, and that clearly needs to be fixed. How about we type in this prompt? Remove the phantom arm. Wow, not bad. Looks like the image was fixed. Okay, one more. After thinking about it, I'd like to change the box label again to match the branding. And I'll type in the prompt, change the box label to Professor Cubs. And there we go. Okay, let's draw the line here because by now you're getting a pretty good idea of how Nano Banana works, the consistency of the images it creates, how to edit the images, and the fact that you might have to regenerate the image a few times to get the results that you want. But one of the biggest issues with Nano Banana is how to fix and control aspect ratios, and you can learn more about that by watching this video.